everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa if you are new around here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Amazon travel favourites. Now, I only kind of discovered Amazon properly about like a year and a half ago, I would say, and then, you know, I'd buy the odd item, but now like I've got Amazon Prime, so everything comes like the next day pretty much, and it's just so easy to get stuff on there, and it's so easy to keep shopping. Like, you always find all these different random things. I absolutely love watching Amazon like Best Buy videos. I'm obsessed with watching them, and I thought it would be really nice to kind of share with you what I've been buying for our holiday. We've got a holiday at the end of the month, so I've got a few bits for myself, the boys, and as a family that I think are going to work really well, so I thought I would share them with you today. So if you want to know my Amazon travel Best Buys, then just keep watching. Let's get started. Okay, so the first item is one that I got for myself, and it is a travel mirror. I just thought this would be really useful because usually I'll just use my compact, and you know what it's like when you're trying to do your makeup and you're holding everything. Sometimes holding a compact and trying to do your winged eyeliner can be a bit of a struggle. So I thought I would go for this, and it's just a three-way mirror. So it just looks like this. You can hold it like so if you want to, and it opens up, so it's really cool like that. It just looks like this. I don't want to blind you, but it's just a mirror like this, so you can either use it and hold it like so if you wanted to, or you can bend that part there and have it as like a freestanding mirror, which I think is so good. Absolutely love it. I think it's like, is it magnified? No, it's not a magnified mirror, but I just thought this was absolutely perfect for travel and just everyday use, to be honest. I just thought this was so fab. So yeah, got that one for my travels. The next item is one for the boys, and it's for when we are like on the plane, or if we're going to a restaurant or anything like that and they want to do some colouring. I got them these triangular crayons. Now these are fab because they won't roll off the table because they are shaped like triangles. So you know what it's like when you've got crayons, you've got your three kids there, one's like rolling them off the table, the other one's like, can you get that off the floor? And it's just like annoying, isn't it? So I thought I would get these triangular ones. That is a really useful tip, especially if you're going to like restaurants and things like that. Very handy to have. These came in like a little like van container, which I thought looked really cool, and they were super cheap as well. I think they were like $1.99 or something like that, so I'll link everything down below for you anyway. But yeah, these are absolutely perfect for the kids. I also got a mini first aid kit. So this is the kids first aid kit, and it's got everything you need for the little ones whilst traveling if they have any accidents or anything like that. It comes like this in this gorgeous little case, and it says Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. So I thought that was really cute for the kids. It says first aid kit for brave little soldiers, so I thought the boys would absolutely love that. And then inside you've got everything you need in there. So you've got like scissors, you've even got a little Humpty Dumpty, which I thought was really cute as well. There's bandages in there, there's stickers, there is some like little scissors to cut the bandages. There's literally loads and loads of great little bits in there, everything you would need for your first aid kit. So I got that one. I think it was about $12.99, but it's got all of the essentials, and it comes in a nice compact case. Again, perfect for traveling, so I got that one. The next item, which I think is really great for travel, are packing cubes. This is something we've only recently discovered. Again, I think I found it on an Amazon Best Buys video, and they were talking about them, and I thought, do you know what, that would actually be really useful for us as a family of 5, because we tend to use the same suitcases for kind of 2 of us. So Mark and I will usually have one suitcase, and then the boys will share their suitcase. And quite often, obviously, I've got 3 boys, and I like to dress them quite the same a lot of the time. Well, my 2 eldest anyway. So Vinny and Renzo often have like the same t-shirts or the same shorts, and a lot of the time if I put them all in together, I never know whose is whose. So what I've got now are these packing cubes, and Vinny's got one, Renzo's got one, Mark and myself have got them, and you get loads of them. So I think they're around $6.99, $7.99 for like a pack of 7, which is great. There are shoe storage ones. You've also got like little wash bag ones. They just come with everything you need to kind of pack all of your essentials, and it's just really handy to keep yourself organised whilst going away on holiday. And it's also much easier to make your packing more compact, if that makes sense. I don't know what it is, but I can just get more in these for some reason. So yeah, I think these are absolutely great. I love that you can get ones to put all of your kind of dirty washing and things like that, and keep that all organised and away. Some of them come with like little shoe bags as well, which is great. You've got all kinds of different sizes. I've got grey and beige set. They do pink, they do blue, they do stripy ones, literally loads of different things. With, you know, 5 of us to pack for, it can be quite stressful, so making that as easy as possible is essential for me, and that's why these packing cubes are absolutely fantastic. Really, really great. The next item I picked up were these, and these are really, really great. So I am obsessed with buying travel minis, and I buy them nearly every time that I go away. However, I kind of run out of them very, very quickly, and they are quite small, but these are actually a little bit bigger than the minis that I would usually buy, and obviously they're reusable, which is fantastic. So I've got these kind of like silicone squeezy kind of bottles, and you can put your shampoos, your conditioners in here. They're very, very soft and easy to use, and they're just nice. I just love them. They've got loads of different colours. Like, I'm going to put like my shampoo, my conditioner in one. I'm going to do like Mark, his own like shower gel and things like that. And I just love the colours. I think they're great. They also come with their own like little funnels and stuff, so it makes it very easy to kind of transfer over. And in this set that I bought, they also come with these little tubs as well, which I can put my face creams in very, very easily. Perfect if you travel quite a lot. Love them so much. They're so cool. Right, next is another one for the kids. So I got this iPad case. I've also got a green iPad case. It's got like handles on the side. Everyone always asks me where I got that from. It is from Amazon, as is this one. So we've got an iPad mini, and the boys use it quite a lot, so I thought I would get a case that is a bit more protective for it. This is just like a plastic case. They could use it as a handle, so when we're on holiday, if they want to hold it and take it out with them, like, you know, I don't know, if you're going on the plane or whatever and they want to hold them, then they can do so, but then they can also push that back like so, and it's going to stand up nicely on the table, so they haven't got to hold it. Great kind of 2-in-1 product there. I also got the boys some headphones for the aeroplane, because they've never actually had headphones before, but I thought this would be useful again if we're going to take our iPads on the plane to keep them entertained. They're going to need some headphones, otherwise it's going to be really loud and noisy for everyone else. So I got Renzo these red kids headphones, and I think they're great. I can't even remember what the brand was of these, but they were about £12.99 I think. I'll link them down below for you. So I got a red set for Renzo, and then I got a blue set for Vinny, and they do fold up like so. So those are the headphones I got for the boys. Perfect again for traveling. My next travel essential is something we've actually used already, and it is so good. It's going to be for mums of boys. I've got 3 boys, so this is going to be so handy for me for years to come. Vinny's obviously fine when we're out and about, but Renzo has like recently potty trained. He's fine, but you know, when he needs a wee, he needs to go ASAP. So I got him this, and oh my god guys, it's so handy. We actually used it on the weekend when we went to Bluestone, and this is a kind of pea cup, I guess. I don't know what else you want to call it, but basically it looks like a little, I don't know what it's meant to be, an elephant I think it is actually. It's an elephant, and basically if you're out and about and they really are desperate to go to the toilet, then you've got this. This is really great. All you need to do is literally pop that up like so, put their bits in there, and they go for a wee, and it collects it all in here, and then you can just do it back up and then empty it when you get home, or you know, when you're near a toilet. I thought that was a bit of a funny one. I saw it when I was on Amazon, and I thought, do you know what, that's actually really useful, because we've had a couple of incidents where Renzo's been in the car and he's like, oh my god, I need a wee right now. And you know what it's like, sometimes you don't want to get them out of the car if it's a really busy road. Sometimes it's nice to just be able to stop by the side of the road, but then, you know, let them go for the wee inside the car and not have to go out in the rain, sometimes if it's raining or whatever. Or if they're down the park and there's no toilets around, then you've got something like this. Very useful to just keep with you. I keep this in the car, but yeah, it's very handy, especially to take on holiday as well. So yeah, a little wee cup for little boys. I don't know if they do one for girls. I don't think a girl would be able to use that, but I'm sure they probably do have something that's portable for little girls as well. But I just thought that was so useful, and again, we've used it loads already. Okay, so on to my final items, which are for the kids, and these are fabulous. So my friend Lucy's got these, and also my friend Emily, and I saw these and I was like, oh my god, the boys would absolutely love them. Renzo is quite lazy when we go out. Not lazy, he just wants to sit on Mark's shoulders a lot of the time, and he's kind of got used to asking to go on Mark's shoulders, and if he doesn't get his way, then he gets a little bit tizzy sometimes. He gets in a bit of a mood. So I thought, what can I do to make it easier for us when we're at the airport or on holiday, so he will walk a little bit more? and I found these bad boys. So we've got, not only do we have a suitcase, but we also have a scooter, which is so cool. Obviously the kids already thought this was amazing when they saw like the front of them. When they found out that they could turn into scooters, they were like, oh my god, can we go out on them now? So yeah, they absolutely loved them. We used these again when we went to Bluestone on the weekend, just to give them a little test drive and see how they were, and the boys were able to use them. They loved them. They're really spacious. They come in a couple of different sizes. This is a bigger one, and I think it was like $69.99, so quite pricey, although we're going to use them for years and years to come. We obviously went for the dinosaur one for Renzo because he loves the dinosaur, and then we also went for a space themed one for Vinny, which is this one here, like so. And these will fit on the cabin as well, which is great. So just check the kind of requirements for the cabins, because I know they're all different, but these will fit on most cabins, like overhead cabin spaces on aeroplanes, which is fantastic. So you can take them all the way up until you get onto that aeroplane, and they're very easy to use as well. You literally just like pull this bit up, the wheels come down, and then you pull the button there, and then the handle comes up. So very easy to use. They're quite weighty, I suppose, for what they are, but they are scooters as well, and obviously the boys are not going to have to hold them, and they just look really fun, don't they? So I absolutely love those. I thought they were a really great purchase, a good investment for children. I think they've got unicorn ones, they've got all sorts of really great designs. They're by the brand, I think it's called Flight. Yeah, Flight. These are the ones that I actually bought off of the Flight website because they didn't have these designs on Amazon. But if you're not too fussy, they've got loads of other designs on Amazon as well. But I thought I would mention those because they've been really useful so far, and I'm really excited to take them away with us when we go abroad at the end of the month. Those are all of my current Amazon Best Buys for travel. Let me know what you thought of my items I've shown you today, and if you've got any of them, and I would love to know what your favourite Amazon travel finds are as well, because I'm always looking for little bits to buy that are going to make my life much easier, especially with the 3 kids. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.